We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down the.
Well, hello again and welcome back to another video. So today's video, I'm in a different house, different cleaning. So this is my brother's house and I clean this every Friday. So now I'm going to bring you along and you can see what I get up to and might give you some bit of information. Probably give you some information on what I use, some inspiration and motivation to stop procrastinating and get up off that backside and start moving. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so I've got my ceiling fan duster. It's got the extended handle. I've got this from Timu, but I am going to use it along this to get around stuff. So let's go. Just dust along things because I don't want to touch much in case I freaking turn something off or, you know, whatever I do. I don't want to. Alright, I'll just get this moving and grooving. Second chance. Because I want to do this quick because I've got to get home and do my stuff. Famous Ned Kelly. Yeah, ugh. I hate touching other people's stuff because I don't want to smash it. Do you know what I mean? Right, so just going to do here. No, I'm not going to touch the photos because you know. These ones are alright because these big ones. So these photos are just my brother holding my mum's hand, my niece holding my mum's hand, and my sister-in-law holding my mum's hand. My mum passed away on the 16th of last month from dementia and Alzheimer's vascular dementia. She was 78. So she had a good life. We're going to the bathroom. It doesn't make much of a difference, but it's going to clean down there. The sink, a little bit of bath, just get the shower, all that down. So I'm going to start with the mirror with my handy dandy cleaner of Rinse Aid for your dishwasher and water. I might actually put a bit more water in there, but that's all I use. So prior to cleaning, so yeah, if you any mirrors or windows before you go in and clean them, just dust them down just to get all the dust and whatever else that's on there off. So that's it. There's a lot of dust. Clean one area and then how is this thing because I couldn't just alright, so in this bottle I've just got my Pine Clean, so I'm just going to spray the floor and then just wipe over it. because that's about all. Okay, so it's finally done. Everything is cleaned, wiped down. There's Nettie. Right, we're going into the kitchen. The sink's all shiny, countertop's all clean. All that's clean. Now we're just going to go in the lounge room. So we've done up the garden path we go. Alright, that room is pretty much clean. It's going to be an office of some sorts. The bathroom, toilet's clean. Yep. There. And another spare room and there. So, okay, well, thank you for joining me on another video. I'm finished. I'm hot. Oh my God. I've got to go home. I'm going to go home and what have I got to do? I don't know yet. Oh, I've got to clean my couch. That's right. So, yeah, well, thanks for hanging out with me. Happy Friday. Have a good weekend. And I'll see you all next week. Okay, remember to always walk in faith, not in sight, and I'll see you all later. Bye.
We're in trances, going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed.